Hi, I'm Kelly Scanlon from IPC. I'm IPC's lead sustainability strategist, and I'm here at the IPC APEX EXPO 2024 in Anaheim, California. I'm on the show floor with Chris Morath from Heller Industries, and we are going to talk about sustainability. So Chris, so good to meet you. So cool to be here. I am interested to learn more from you about what your company is doing in the space of sustainability for electronics. So first off, why did you even want to talk to us?
Oh, because I've been spending a lot of time on this very topic.
What's your title?
I'm a Chief Operating Officer.
Wow, okay.
Yes. It's a very important topic to Heller. We've been getting increasing customer interest over the past few years in our greenhouse gas emissions. And so in response to that, last year we reported for the first time our emissions through Carbon Disclosure Project.
Yeah,
CDP. Yep. So we used 2022 as a baseline year. The other thing we did last year was that we actually put in a data management system, which was quite a lot of work. That's ISO 14000 compliant. Okay. So that's really a very important foundation for recording to give us confidence in our roadmaps moving forward.
Okay.
The other thing we did was we did a Scope 3 screening exercise, Scope 3 emissions, which not surprisingly indicated that our use of sold products actually is our biggest emission source. We're estimating about 2/3 of our overall carbon footprint. Yeah, so
that was a surprise to you.
Not surprisingly. I mean, an oven a typical oven can consume 15 kilowatts of power, and we ship over 1,000 ovens a year. And so if you look at our install base, that can add up to a small city almost of energy consumption.
Wow.
But as I said, we've known that already to some degree before doing the exercise, and we've been working on emissions improvements, energy reductions for the ovens for many years now.
Yep.
So our latest Mark 7 product that we're showing here is actually 20% more efficient than the previous models.
Okay.
So that's a big step forward.
So this conversation is around moving the needle. And so I hear you saying you're moving the needle by just realizing that there are data calculations and more that you are doing to recognize your Scope 3 impact and being able to record on that and discuss that.
Absolutely.
But then also building your electronics better, meaning to have, in this case, better means less energy impact.
Yes.
And so is there a connection between your calculations and the move to reduce, or is that going to come in the future? What else can you keep doing to move the needle?
Yeah, one initiative for this year is by the end of the year to be submitting to Science Based Targets Initiative, SBTI, and to basically make a commitment. And so again, all that work to basically understand, to have a data-driven foundation, and then to have a roadmap that's tied in a very clear way to our SBTI commitment is a big thrust for this year as well.
Okay. How many of you are doing this?
Well, we have a team of myself and my direct managers that basically between purchasing, operations, engineering, that basically will be weighing in, of course, bringing the board of directors, Dave Heller and our board of advisors into play. That'd be very important as we set some.
This is executive level, really.
Oh, absolutely.
Decision maker level.
Yes, absolutely.
So it's that important to you. And do you see that this is something others in the industry are doing, could be doing? Are you setting an example that they can follow you this?
Well, I think, as we look at our peers and also some benchmarks, there are some very large companies and customers in the industry, semiconductor manufacturers, large equipment companies that we're using as benchmarks. Mm-hmm. And so I think they are valuable as we look at our plans moving forward.
For sure. Mm-hmm. So in closing, what does Heller do?
Heller, we provide thermal process solutions for customers, semiconductor manufacturers, SMT manufacturers, and, whether that is ovens or other solutions that we can bring to bear in partnering with material companies, our ultimate goal is to solve the customer's problems.
Good. And so one of my really last question about impact, right? How much impact can you have? And it sounds like you actually can have quite a big impact.
Absolutely.
Given the role of your equipment in the broader supply chain.
Absolutely. Our ovens are one of the biggest power consumption pieces of equipment in the line. So I think anything that we can do to reduce, not only our scope 1 and 2 emissions, but also our product will have a very big impact on the industry.
Nice, because it is that partnership. If you reduce your energy load, you help them reduce their energy loads as well. Awesome. All right. Thank you for your today.
Very good.
I hope you have a great rest of your show.
You too.
Thanks.
The best.